Or my sister called me up from Delhi 9 p.m. and asked me, Didi, quickly share me a recipe which can be made without any time. As now in Delhi, it's very cold and she doesn't want to spend too much time in the kitchen. So I quickly share with her this recipe. Hello and welcome back to Cooking Story, and this is Smita. So let's begin today's recipe. Though this recipe is completely made with green chilies, and you know the green chilies have a lot of health benefits, especially during this winter. So quickly, let's see the ingredient to make this recipe. And the ingredients are coriander leaves, that salt, sugar, few cashew, some green chilies, bay leaf, black pepper whole, cinnamon stick, javitri, cloves, and green cardamom. Now, half cup of oil, onion finely chopped, yogurt, ginger and garlic paste, and our lovely chicken. I am using over here around 2 kilos of chicken with bones. First of all, take the chicken and let us marinate it with 3 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, 3 tablespoons of yogurt, and 3 to 4 tablespoons of refined oil. Now with your hands mix everything well and marinate for 15 minutes. On the other side, we will make a green paste for the chicken gravy. For that, in a mixer grinder, add 200 grams of coriander leaves with the root parts, though you need to make the paste in batches. Then add 3 to 4 green chilies, but you can adjust the green chilies according to your taste bud. Once the paste is nicely done, then we will add 5 to 8 pieces of cashew and again make a fine paste and then keep aside. Now take a big heated pan and add the remaining oil. And once the oil heat up, we will add some whole spices. First of all, add 2 to 3 green cardamom, 2 bay leaves, 8 to 10 black pepper whole, 2 to 3 cinnamon stick, javitri, and 4 to 5 cloves. After adding these whole spices into the oil, wait for 1 to 2 minutes or until it turns fragrance. Then we will add 500 grams of finely chopped onion. Now cook this onion in a high flame for 2 to 3 minutes. After that, we will add 1 teaspoon of sugar and salt as per your taste. Then again stir everything well and switch the flame as low as possible. Again cook for 5 to 6 minutes or until the onion turns translucent. After cooking it for 5 to 6 minutes, the onion will look like this. At this point of time, stir it well and then add the marinated chicken with the marination and finally give a good stir. Then cover and cook in a very low flame for 15 to 20 minutes or until our chicken is 80% done. As I already mentioned earlier, in this recipe, I am using 2 kilo chicken big size. Though if you want, you can also use small size chicken. After that, open the lid and check the chicken tenderness. Finally, if you think your chicken is 80% done, then at that point, you need to add our green chili and coriander paste. Though as I wanted my Kacha Lonka Murgi or green chili chicken will be all about this green chili and it will be fresh, squeaky, clean of any other spices to get the flavor of those green chilies. So I am adding the paste at last. And also adding this paste at the end of the recipe, it will preserve the color as well as the freshness of the coriander and green chilies. So keep in mind that while doing this recipe, always try to add this paste at the end of the recipe, then cook for another 5 to 8 minutes before switching off the flame. So finally, after few minutes, you will see the oil has risen up, the color is marvelous, and our chicken is tender and juicy. At this point of time, switch off the flame and sprinkle some more coriander leaves from top and few green chilies slitted. As you know that no dish in Bengali cuisine is complete without the addition of green chilies. The technique of adding the green chilies does alter the flavors of the dish to a large extent. That is, if you like only a hint of peppery fragrance in your food but don't want the spiciness, just break 3 to 4 of these green atom bombs to the curry before you take it off the heat and see the magic. Waiting for its time to serve and enjoy with your friends and family. Serve in a serving plate and sprinkle some more coriander leaves from top and green chilies and have this with naan or roti or pulao. And if you think today's recipe is worth sharing with you, then don't forget to subscribe my channel Cooking Story and hit the bell icon. So whenever I upload new recipes, you get the notification first. Till then, stay healthy, stay wealthy, enjoy cooking and enjoy winter. See you again with another new episode. Till then, bye bye.